Hello and welcome to Family Wealth Map. We're happy you've made the decision to make this investment for your family's future. Here are a few tips to help get you started and maximize your experience. First, find profile photos of yourself and your family members. Next, gather your important documents. And finally, have your usernames and passwords for your financial accounts. Keep in mind, Family Wealth Map has several menus accessible by right-clicking on a line item. Once inside the menu, you can click as you normally would. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, we want to hear from you. You can always contact us directly by telephone or email, chat with us live, or search our feature-specific Family Wealth Map videos. We want Family Wealth Map to be your source for everything important to you and your family for generations to come.